Beautiful. In this video, amazing chicken salad, chicken thighs with lemon, mustard and honey, mix of potatoes and basic arugula salad with parm to enjoy it with. So, I think we can start. Hey everyone, in this video we're going to make a beautiful chicken thighs with the bone in to give as much flavor as we can to the meat and to the potatoes. We're going to put the potatoes in a tray, after that a rack and the chicken on top. So all those flavors and the spices are going to drop on the potatoes and give as much flavor as they can. It's going to go with mustard, honey and lemon, seasoning, you know, a little bit sour, a little bit sweet, and the spiciness and the kickiness of the mustard. We're going to use two mustard, one triple crunch and one smooth Dijon. So let's start by searing first of all the chicken on a pan, give it a nice color. So as for the chicken is already been marinated in brine, usually flavors and all of this. This one in particular I marinated it in a brine that I used in a Adobo video that you saw on the channel. If you want to see the recipe of the brine that I used here with soya, peppercorn, bay leaf, some bold flavors and very nice, I'm going to leave you a link here. But if you're not a soya person, I'm going to leave you also a link in the description below to a recipe without the soya sauce. But as for now, I'm going to start roasting it. So I'm going to put everything on a plate, pan already on the heat 5.5, 6. We want to render some of this fat of the thighs. The brine, it's already with the seasoning and everything, but you need to give it a final touch of seasoning. So pepper, salt, chicken, pan, yeah, oil, and when everything is ready, add the chicken. When the chicken is starting to change color a little bit, flip it over and let it sear on the other side. We don't want to give too much color because the chicken is still going to go to the oven on the rack and it's going to continue roasting and getting more color. So when you see that the chicken is firm, yeah, comes together, turn off the heat, take the pan from the heat, all of those juices, no throwing. Put it aside. We're going to use everything. Instead of adding new oil to the potatoes, we're going to use this one. This is with flavor, with a lot of taste to give. Also, you can smell all the bay leaf from the adobo marination. Amazing. So, let's move to the other table. Start cutting the potatoes and flavoring them. First of all, we're going to peel the yam. Yeah, we don't want the skin with, because it's really thick, you know, it's thick, and also this one, it's a little bit tougher to clean, you know, from dirt and all of this stuff, so better just not to use it. Potatoes already washed, yeah, make sure you wash them very nice, yeah. We're going to cut them. The other potatoes, the red one and the white, we're going to trim if you have like a not nice skin from, and everything else, just cut roughly. After cutting the potatoes, of course, garlic, we're going to crush and chop. How otherwise without garlic? You know, potatoes without garlic, it's like vacation without sun. Oh, lockdown, you know, still. So, garlic, going to crush, yeah. Going to add the garlic, and when all the potatoes and also the yam together with it in a tray, we're going to take our oil, wine, make sure it's still hot a little bit, mix it, take all those juices, yeah, all the flavors, and put it on the potatoes. Oh my god, this is going to be amazing. The wine and the juices and the flavors that's still in the pan from the chicken, going to steam, cook the chicken and bring more moisture from the meat to the potatoes. So, salt, yeah, nice amount, pepper, also nice, let's give it a little bit more, lemon zest, this is the lemon here, also In the end, we're going to put also pieces of lemon to squeeze the lemon on top of the chicken, on the potatoes. And mix. So, brush Dijon mustard and let's brush the chicken. Now, we're going to put a rack, yeah, on top, on which we're going to put all the chicken and put it into the oven. Oven, by the way, already preheated to 200 degrees Celsius or 360 Fahrenheit. So we're going to put them for about half an hour, 40 minutes. That's it, into the oven. For the salad, we're going to need arugula. I have also a mix of arugula and kale together, yeah. We're going to put parsley leaves also, just the parsley leaf without the stems, yeah. You're probably asking yourself, where is the honey, where is the actual lemon in the chicken? Don't worry. So, let me explain you something. We're going to make a marinade now with triple crunch mustard. We have the mustard, the Dijon, already on the chicken, roasting it, giving it the flavor of the mustard, but we're going to finish it with triple crunch mustard and beautiful honey. Put a nice amount of honey, lemon, zest. We're going to put some in the salad. We have in the potato a little bit, and we're going to have in the glaze that we're going to put on top. So we're going to need a lemon also. Just cut a piece, and we're also going to have on the table like pieces like this. So you're going to squeeze fresh lemon, salt for the finish, black pepper, and touch of olive oil. Just a bit, yeah? We're going to brush with this marinade the last 10 minutes the chicken every 5 minutes. So it's like twice. 10, 5, and out, yeah? Okay, so we're going to glaze the chicken and give the final touch with the honey. It's going to be amazing. This way also the skin and the chicken itself, it's not going to be too dry, yeah? From time to time, check on the chicken, yeah? If you have a top and bottom grill, so it's not going to get too much color, yeah? Put something on top on the bottom if you need, or if you have a convection oven, also good. Parsley, chop it inside. Red onion, yeah? Just one side, we don't need too much of it, yeah? Trim a little bit the edges to make it nice. We're going to slice the onion and put it in the cold water to refresh the onion and make it much more crunchy. Add it to the salad, salt, olive oil, lemon you don't need, you have the lemon zest and you have the lemon in the other stuff. Put it in the plate, parm on top, amazing, you don't need more than that. Take the rack, yeah, just want to check quickly that everything is nicely roasted. Beautiful. 5-10 minutes, exactly what we need. So, I'm going to brush with the honey. And back to the oven. Another 5 minutes. Beautiful. Just time to plate. So, carefully let it rest for a minute or two so we can actually touch the rack. A little bit parsley, so, you know, green, to give color, to give like contrast. Very nice. Nice amount. See? Very nice. Beautiful. Now, just the chicken on top. And of course the salad. Yeah? And finish with the parm. Beautiful, and this is how you make amazing chicken thighs dish with honey, lemon and mustard. Beautiful and simple. Also, with a small salad to enjoy to refresh everything. So, thank you very much for watching, and of course, make sure to let me know in the comments below how you find this recipe. Also, if you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell, because in this channel, we're making recipes simple and easy that you can make at home. So, thank you very much for watching. I'm Andre, this is ThinkOFood.